We'll guide you through how to insert a PDF in a PowerPoint. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on a PowerPoint presentation I've been working on. And so I want to go and add in a PDF, as this is a document that sort of goes along with it, so it makes sense we go and add it in. Now, there are different ways you can go about this, so you need to make sure you watch this full video, otherwise you're going to go and potentially miss an important part. Now, what you need to do is in PowerPoint is you need to go and decide what slide you want it on, and you want to go and click on it. So in this case, this PDF I want to add explains a bit about GuideRealm. Of course, yours can be different, it doesn't matter. So now to go and add it, what we need to do is come to the top ribbon in PowerPoint, and we want to go and press Insert like so. Now what you need to do is come over to the right and come into text, and you can find the option for object like so, and you can go and click there. Now you need to come over to the left where it says create from file. This is create new. You want to go and press browse below file. We need to go and locate it. So we need to come to downloads in my case, select it and go and press OK. Of course, yours can have a different location. Now what you can do is you can leave link unselected just so it's not linked, and you can choose whether you want it displayed as an icon or displayed as the actual document. So if it's as an icon, it'll look like that. If that's unselected, it's going to go and put the actual PDF, what it looks like in there, and then basically a preview. So choose the option you want, and you can press OK and press OK, and there it is. And you can then go and resize it by clicking and holding the corner points. And when you go and double click on it, it will then go and open up, as you can see. Of course, you can try using the preview option and see if that gives you the outcome you want.